I'm Janko Holover. I'm teaching here electrical lessons, practices, and we are here today to learn how to make a circuit board for the SLOVENİA multivibrator. And here are the students who will introduce to you.
Hello, my name is Jordan. I'm from France, and I'm in the school of Clément Ader.
My name is Thalit, I'm from Portugal. I do 12 professional electronics automation.
Hi, my name is Adrián. I came from Gran Canaria and I study in the ES Santa Lucia High School.
Hello dear teachers and dear friends. My name is Ismail. I am from Turkey, Istanbul. I am going to Samandıra Vocational and Technical High School.
So I'm gonna start explaining how the Astabil flip-flop works. We begin with the flow. It goes through the capacitor and it begins charging. So the voltage will go through the transistor. It will be on, so the LED will light. And at the same time, this capacitor will be discharging. So the voltage will drop here. So the transistor will be off and the LED will light. On how to draw a PCB in Eagle, first we draw the schematic and put the parts and wires together. Then we transform it to a PCB. And here we put the components in the board. And we, using tools, we auto-route, and the wires the program will put the wires automatically.
This is a milling machine. We use her to make this. This is a PC board. We make them out of this. And we use little tools like this. This is what we would like to make. So this is we prepare it first and we export it in the machine. So this is what the machine sees. This is her cursor, so where she is aiming at, and this is what she's going to make.
Firstly, I put the 618 ohm resistor on the PC board. Then I connect the LED.
Shutterstock Music.
After I connecting the capacitor.
Shutterstock Music.
Now I connecting the BC 547 transistor. Then I connecting the 100K resistor. Okay. After I connecting the other 100K resistor.
Shutterstock Music.
Then I connecting the other capacitor. Then I connecting the other 618 ohm resistor. Now I connecting the other LED. Finally, I connecting the other BC 547 transistor.
Shutterstock Music.
Isso é o que nós fazemos.
Esto es lo que hemos hecho. Es como el fit.
Biz bunu yaptık.